Hello, everyone. My name is Laurin Bieker, and I am the account executive here at Salmon & Company, who is the TRICARE Supplement Administrator of your corporate plan that we're offering you today. I want to take this time to say thank you very much for those of you who have served or are currently serving in the military and your families. It's an extreme pleasure for us to present this TRICARE supplement to you to hopefully offset some of those costs that you have when you're using your retiree TRICARE. I want to take this time to now talk about what TRICARE is from a high level point of view. TRICARE is the health benefit program for our military community. As I mentioned in the first slide, we're hoping to help you offset some of those costs that you do acquire using your retiree TRICARE. These are the three plans that are currently available to those of you who have spent 20 years in the military as a career and have either retired or medically retired and are able to take TRICARE with you. TRICARE Select, TRICARE Prime, and TRICARE Retired Reserves differ by whether or not there's an enrollment fee, the choice of provider, the location of your service, and if you have to go through a primary care manager for referrals. I want to take a minute to highlight these three plans. TRICARE Select, which most of you know is the former standard / extra, is a PPO sort of plan, which means you can use the in-network military treatment facility or an out-of-network civilian provider coverage. With both of those, each time you are receiving service or care, they'll fall under the catastrophic cap, which is the maximum out-of-pocket benefit. Now you'll notice I do have two small updates in here. There will be an upcoming enrollment fee for this plan in 2021. So during this open season that will be coming upon us, just note that, have that set up so that your coverage will be in effect for next year. Also, there's an upcoming increase in the catastrophic cap as well. Both of these in-network, out-of-network capabilities do fall under the catastrophic cap, so you have a copay in-network and that cost share out-of-network. Prime is what TRICARE considers its premium plan. With this plan, you have the annual enrollment fee, but there are some network restrictions. It's an HMO style plan, which means you're primarily using that Prime network. You have a primary care manager that does assign you for referrals, and that does limit you, especially when the Prime network is only available within 40 miles of a military base. If you choose to use the civilian coverage, it's called POS, Point of Service. This option does allow you to use a civilian provider who accepts TRICARE, but it's not covered under the catastrophic cap. Your out-of-pocket cost with this option is 50% cost share as well as the deductible. TRICARE Retired Reserves is the plan that's available for retired reservists. Very similar to Select in that it is a PPO. The catastrophic cap is a little higher and they do have a monthly enrollment fee. With the plan, it's still a PPO, so you have the in-network copay, you have the out-of-network cost share, both which apply under that catastrophic cap. So who is eligible for a corporate TRICARE supplement plan? The answer is those who've retired from the military or have been medically retired. Those who are eligible for Medicare are not eligible for the TRICARE supplement, with the exception that if they're over age 65 and not eligible for Medicare, they can enroll in the TRICARE supplement. If they reside overseas, TRICARE eligible veterans are able to enroll in the TRICARE supplement because Medicare does not bill overseas. Military retirees, spouses, dependent children are eligible for the TRICARE supplement plan as long as they are participating on retiree TRICARE. Here are some of the high-level plan features of the supplement. The TRICARE supplement works with all three TRICARE plans. As a combined rate, you'll have a four-tiered option: employee only, employee plus spouse, or employee plus child or children, and the employee plus family rates to choose from. With this plan, there are no pre-existing conditions, which mean your plan will begin reimbursing automatically. It is guaranteed issue as long as you're participating on retiree TRICARE. It enables Prime users to access that civilian provider network worldwide. It's meant to cover things like TRICARE leftovers, cost shares, co-pays, excess charges that TRICARE leaves behind. The TRICARE supplement does not replace coverage that TRICARE does not cover. In order for the TRICARE supplement to reimburse on a secondary level, the initial claim does need to be filed and processed with TRICARE. The TRICARE supplement does reimburse for 100% of prescription copays. It also has a continuation of coverage, which we will get to in just a minute. So how does the TRICARE supplement work? So at the beginning of my presentation, I gave a high-level overview of the three TRICARE plans. Here is how your supplement works with those plans. If you're participating on TRICARE Select, there is going to be an upcoming enrollment fee, which I do want to point out that the TRICARE supplement does not cover enrollment fees. Those are the fees that you pay to be on these TRICARE plans. But after the enrollment fee, you would have a copay, in-network, cost share, excess charges, and TRICARE Select deductible. The supplement is going to reimburse all of those copays, and for the out-of-network piece, it's going to cover all the cost share, the excess charge, and that TRICARE Select deductible at 100%. Moving on to Prime, it's going to cover all of those copays you have within the Prime network. Now you'll notice in the previous slide I mentioned that it's going to enable Prime users to use that civilian network. Most people who are participating in TRICARE Prime are on that plan for a low-cost option. If they venture out or go past that referral network to the civilian side, they do need a referral. If you want to go outside of that network without a referral, you have a 50% cost share and the point of service deductible. That supplement is going to reimburse that full 50% cost share that you're responsible for. It's also going to cover half of your point of service deductible. For retired reserves, again, it doesn't cover the enrollment fee, but with that PPO plan, the in-network copay, the out-of-network cost share, and deductible, the supplement is going to reimburse those for you at 100%. Another great benefit to adding a TRICARE supplement plan to your employee benefits is the continuation of coverage. It's fully portable. If you terminate employment with your company at any time, you'll receive a continuation of coverage offer from Salmon & Company to continue your TRICARE supplement. The rate and the benefit will stay the same. The only difference is you'll switch from a pre-tax benefit to a post-tax benefit. You have 90 days to decide if you'd like to continue the coverage, and Salmon & Company will provide you with options and how often you can pay your TRICARE supplement plan to Salmon & Company directly. I want to take this time to now offer some assistance for those of you who might be thinking, well, what TRICARE plan is best for me? Unfortunately, here at Salmon & Company, we cannot advise you what TRICARE plan would be best for you. However, I have included the link for the TRICARE.mil website. This is a great website to view side-by-side comparisons on costs, enrollment fees, specialty visits, for you and your family to make that decision for you. I've also included some other links and the DEARS phone number. DEARS is the Defense and Eligibility Enrollment Reporting System. This is where TRICARE has the most up-to-date knowledge about your births, divorces, anything family-related, including your address and phone number. The reason why this is so important is because this is how TRICARE communicates to you their plan changes. Upcoming for the 2021, you've heard me mention a couple times the difference in the select catastrophic cap and the addition of the enrollment fee. Their communication to you solely relies on the information that you provide with this DEARS system. Now, when you enroll in the TRICARE supplement, you'll have access to our Salmon & Company customer service team. Here's their phone number and the email address if you have any questions. We do process the claims directly in-house, so once you submit for reimbursement or have your provider file the claims on your behalf, you can also contact our member services team to provide feedback on those claims. It has been my honor to present this TRICARE supplement plan to you today. I'm hoping that with this presentation you were able to learn a little bit about the supplement, how it's going to work for you and your families to provide the best outcome and financial assistance for reimbursement. Thank you again for your service and have a great rest of your day.